Hi everyone, Ian from DIY Home and Gardening, 2nd of April, so time for that update. Let's turn the camera around and show you where I'm at. Right, so allotment update, start at the beginning. Got that little batch there, so that is now the elephant garlic. It's sunny motored. In literally the last couple of weeks it's gone from just nothing to right up, so it's looking very good. Got the different types of garlic coming on there, followed by some onions, which the red ones are, which is Red Baron, still very sporadic in how they're doing. Got another block of garlic, so that's all Marco, they're doing well. And then mixture of different onions, which are again a little bit hit and miss. Then I have this bed here, which has got my earlies and second earlies and main crop potatoes in. So the second earlies is new variety called Twinners, which I'm hoping will do really well. And then there's a blue variety of potato, which name escapes me. Let's have a look. Salad blue it's called, which is a bit of a strange one considering it's a main crop. It's called a salad, but anyway, so they're all under there, under my sort of no earth no dig bed. I go to this one. So this was the first bed that I did about 3 weeks ago. So what I've done here is I've done mixed plantings. Kale Cavolo Nero occupies this section here, followed by what is that, Calabrese, Aqueous, up to there. And then I've got the cabbage, Durham Early. And then what I've done is I've interplanted between the different crops, so alternating between leek, parsnip, carrot, leek, parsnip, carrot, and so on. So then hopefully the leeks will keep away the pests from most of the crops, and the carrot will hopefully repel the leek fly. That's the thinking. And then with the carrots and parsnips, obviously they're growing a crop below the ground, so it makes use of below and above ground. Then last week I planted up this bed here, well, 2/3 of it. So what I've done is I've got sort of again split plantings. I have spinach occupies this section in this little quadrant or third, spinach also, then through the centre to make use of the highest point is the Swiss chard. And then in this section here I've then got peas Kelvedon and peas Sugar Snap with broad beans through the middle. Hopefully, again, thinking will be that broad beans might get a little bit taller, not a lot really, but hopefully the broad beans and peas will all grow up at the same sort of time, which will mean that I can just put some structure through the middle there to support them all. But that the broad beans, being a later crop, will be happily growing through the middle untouched, and actually I'll be able to do some multiple sowing. So once these peas have gone, then I'll be able to sow some other salad crops in there. And what I'm thinking of doing in here is putting in Brussels sprouts, which I'll probably then do into rows of more peas, but staggered at probably fortnightly intervals. So that's what I've done there. Started tidying up a little bit more in that corner. I need to source some wood from somewhere because I want to get that area ready for pumpkins. I mean, it has briefly been snowing, very frosty. So this is the apricot, which was fully out in flower, and you can probably see most of them have been scorched off. So I don't know whether this will actually get a crop on it this year. It might be the first time in about 5 years it doesn't. Black currants nicely out into leaf. have to see whether they produce a crop, because that'd be first year. But I am considering moving it to make this sort of a bit of a salad type area. And then that's my sweet pea arch. So yeah, we'll have to see how that does. Inside, just had a little bit of a tidy the other week inside the shed. Just built a bit of a makeshift bench there, currently housing a lot of cardboard and, well, polythene and things, which I will be using. Going to prepare this bed next, so this one I'll be turning, so swapping the organic matter from the top to the bottom and bringing the soil up, and then I will start planting this up as well, but not quite sure what I'm going to be putting in this as yet. I've got so many things coming on that yeah, I think it'll be whatever I need to plant next goes into that. But yeah, that's my update. Oh, and also I've got all this Mypex down, more or less. Just need to finish that top section, so it's all looking pretty good. Fighter jets going over the top. Anyway, that is the update done. So thanks for watching. Hope you found it of interest. Yeah, certainly you can gauge where you're at to me. Not that it's a competition, but you know, plants only grow as quickly as they want to given the conditions. But yeah, any questions, please send them to me. I'll do my best to answer them for you. If you like what I'm doing, then please subscribe to the channel. It's always good to see new people on the channel. Don't forget to hit that reminder button so you don't miss out on future videos I'm doing. And yeah, certainly whilst those clouds hold off, let's get outside and do some gardening, have some fun. So till next time, bye for now.